My name is Ashley Mukwena from SAPS. I'm the National Sports Coordinator. We are currently enjoying the moment at Stay City, where we hosted our SAPS Martial Arts Tournament, which comprises of 4 stands: the full contact karate and the semi-contact karate, judo, and kickboxing. We had 160 participants that were supposed to attend our championship. Unfortunately, due to policing demands, some of them couldn't attend. What was impressive with Stay City for hosting us, their hospitality, the customers' service that they gave us, the catering team that was so friendly, all the way it was for SAPS, it was a home away from home. More so that now we're having all our participants from all the 9 and the 10 provinces. You call it Western Cape, Limpopo, Mpumalanga, all those provinces were represented in this tournament, and they had such a successful tournament with the support and assistance of Stay City. We are happy to associate and to be partners with Stay City going forward. We are looking forward to a good relationship with Stay City because they come down to our prices.